Hello class, this is a video tutorial on the derivative of exponential functions of base n. So we've seen the derivative of exponential functions. So here's the most basic one. The derivative of e to the power of x is always itself. When the power of e is some other function, in this case u, we use the chain rule where the derivative of this is always itself multiplied by the derivative of the power. Now this simple rule is only applicable to base e. For exponentials of other bases, in this case a to the power of x, where a is any other number, we first change the form using log laws to become this one. So in this first set of examples, I'm going to show you the long way, and then in the next video, we'll take a look at the short way of doing this. So here we go. So first, our job is to make this look like this one. So to do this, we'll just let the left-hand side equal y. So y equals a to the x. Now, to make it become this, I'm going to take the ln of both sides first. Now, by log laws, this x will go to the front. So I'm going to do that in the next step. But now I'm going to take the e to the power of both sides. So this will become e to the power of ln y equals e to the power of ln a. But just as I said, the x goes to the front. This becomes e to the power of x ln a. Now, normally we would move this back and cancel the e and the ln, but we're going to leave the right hand side in this form so that it looks just like this. But now these two can cancel, so we're left with y equals e to the x ln a. And there we have it. Look, y equals this and y equals this. So they are equal to one another. And now that we have that, we can now see the derivative of this. So first we change this back. Y equals, as we've seen, this can become this one. And now to make sense of this derivative that I'm about to show, let's take a look at this as our example, as our comparison, sorry. Y equals 2x. The derivative of this is y prime, is itself e to the 2x multiplied by the derivative of the power. In this case, the derivative of 2x is just 2. So now in this case, the derivative of this is going to be y equals, well, it's going to be itself multiplied by the derivative of x ln a. It's a little confusing if you're not too familiar, but remember, ln a is just a number. So x ln a could very well be viewed as 2x. So in this case, this is 2 times x times ln a. So the derivative of x ln a is ln a. I'm going to put that in the bracket just so that we know to multiply these two. And that is actually the derivative of y equals a to the x. It is ln a e to the x ln a. So let's do this the long way first. Then eventually we'll do faster and faster shortcuts. So here we go. First, we change this. Y equals e to the x ln 2. I'll give you a moment just to see how we change that. This has become this. And so the derivative of this one now is going to be y prime equals e to the x ln 2, it's always itself, multiplied by the derivative of x ln 2. In this case, it's times ln 2 e to the x ln 2. And that there is our derivative. Here we go again for this. Same deal. We convert this to become, so remember, we're going to change this. So this will become y equals e to the x ln 10. And so now the derivative of this is always itself times the derivative of x ln 10, which is just ln 10. And for our last example here, this is just going to be y equals, first, I'm not going to take the derivative of this. This becomes 3 to the power of negative x. And changing this to the form, this one, this will become y equals e to the power of negative x ln 3. And so this becomes ever so slightly trickier. Its derivative y prime is, well, since it's e to the power of something, it's always going to be itself times the derivative of this power. So the derivative of negative x ln 3 is going to be, times negative ln 3. There we have it. So it's negative ln 3 e to the power of negative x ln 3. That there is the derivative of a to the power of x. So hope to see you in the next video where we take a look at shortcuts of this. But hope to see you then, and best of luck.